In this video tutorial, I'm going to share too on how you can fix Wi-Fi not working, not available, not connecting, or missing on your Windows. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we need to check the WLAN autoconfig service. So for that, we need to press Windows key and R to open the run window. And here we need to simply type services.msc and click on OK. Now we need to simply scroll down to the W section and look for the WLAN. Here it is. Make a right click, select Properties. Click on Stop first. Then Startup type, change that to automatic and then click on the Start button. Click on Apply and click on OK. Then close the services window. Then for the next method, we have to run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Then here, simply follow me for the commands that we are going to run. First command is netsh space winsock space reset. netsh space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command, netsh space int space ip space reset log.txt and hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Do not worry, the commands will be provided in the description section of this video. And then for the last thing or the last method is we need to make sure that our network adapter is updated. So right click at the start button and here you have to select device manager to open it. Once the device manager window is opened, you just have to simply locate network adapters. And here you have to locate your network adapter. Then what you can do is you need to make a right click, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here simply choose the latest one, or you can simply try one by one as to what will work for you. Click on next. And now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close all these windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.